Okay beauties, welcome back to my channel and welcome to those of you who are new. I just wanted to show you how I do a quick everyday look using a tinted moisturizer. In today's video, the tinted moisturizer of choice is the Smashbox Halo moisturizer. I told you guys I was super excited to try this. No highlight, no contour, no eyeshadow, just this quick thing that I put together. So if you want to see how I got it, of course, stay tuned. And if you like the video, guys, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up to let me know that you like it, and leave me a comment down below if you can. I really appreciate that, and subscribe if you have not already. So yeah, I'm just making a quick run. I'm showing you guys what I do to just kind of look kind of put together, but not doing too much, because like, why? You know what I mean? Like, we over here are still on lockdown. In a couple of days we will be free again. But yeah, so I'm not trying to do too much and put on all this foundation, contour, and all that excitement. Yeah, you know, it's iced coffee season. So my eyes have already been primed. I always kind of just start with that. My brows are done, and then I put concealer over my eyelids to cancel out the darkness. So that's already done. And then I'm gonna go in with my bronzer, which today is my Fenty bronzer. So I'm just gonna quickly blend this into my eye area, give it some definition. I've been wearing skin tints. Pretty much that's what I wear when I go outside. I'm obsessed with my Fenty skin tint. That is Bay right there. Gives me all the coverage I need and more. Super quick, easy to use. So this one now I'm gonna be testing out for you guys is the Smashbox Halo Healthy Glow All-in-One Tinted Moisturizer. This one has SPF 25, which I think is super good. I'm excited about that. It does say Healthy Glow Dewy Finish. So I mean, it's not ideal for me during the summertime, but I mean, like, for me, wearing a tinted moisturizer, a skin tint, I'm not trying to, I will never be wearing it for some all-day event where I'm going to be doing a lot of up and down or on the most humid day. This is for quick runs for me. If I wear a skin tint during the summertime, it's going to be like a quick run. I'm not trying to be, you know, picture perfect, basically. It says it's all-in-one. It primes, perfects, protects, and hydrates. No creasing, caking, or settling. The color that I got was tan dark. So this is how the bottle looks, guys. We're just gonna shake it up. I'm going straight to my face. Like I said, this is just quick. We don't have time for talking, so it's taking longer, but this is just my quick routine to get out the door. I didn't use a primer, guys, because it says it primes, so you know, we'll see. And that match is like perfection. It's actually a little dark, which is good because I'm already tanning up a little bit, and I'm definitely going to be tanned a lot more. Because I swear I get like 4 shades darker during the summertime. Like, I don't even know how, but every time, like, seriously, am I the only one? I literally can get like 4 shades darker during the summer, and I don't even understand how I come back during the winter, but I seriously get super dark and super tanned up, and I'm just like, I don't know if I'm the only person. Like, do other people get that kind of tan? Like, I noticed my family members, we get tanned like that. So that's a beautiful finish. As far as glow, there is a little bit of a glow there. To be honest, the Maybelline tinted moisturizer seemed like it had a little bit more glow than this one. So I don't know, but it is a pretty healthy glow, like it says. It's just not as glowy as I expected it to be, because I mean, that's really and truly, I really wanted to try it because it was a glowy tinted moisturizer, but it works. So I'm just gonna probably throw on my lashes, and then we'll finish the rest of the face. So I mean, the coverage is a good coverage. I'm not sure I like the texture of it that much, but we're just gonna keep going, finish this face, and then I'll talk about it, I guess, right? So usually here I just go on to concealer, because concealer is a must in my life. And the blush I'm going to use today is the LYS Inspire, because it's just this pretty orange, but it gives this really natural look. So let's just do that. It's a damp blender, and I find that it just really goes on so beautiful, so natural. So see, I just brought some color, some life back into my skin. Once everything kind of meshes together, it's gonna look even that much better. I didn't have to do no contour or anything like that. Like, what am I contouring for? I'm just running to the stove. And this is one of the things that I like about the skin tint as opposed to like a foundation, is that it doesn't take away so much dimensions from your face. So therefore you don't have to worry about really contouring and bronzing if you don't want to, because it's literally just a light layer on your face. So you can still look good without all that. I'm just gonna take a black liner and just do my waterline, my bottom waterline. That's just gonna close my eyes up a bit. As you can see, they're just big, they're out there. And I don't have no lashes, so I'm just gonna use this and kind of close up my eyes, as you can see. So this is my mineralized skin finish. I'm just setting it with this real quick. So the one I'm using today is a Sephora Clean Glossy Lip Oil, and I'll just put a little bit on top. This is number 2 apricot, so it has a little apricot tint, which helps as well. This just shows you that makeup doesn't have to be all extra, okay? This is just quick, simple, easy, but it did the job, right? As far as this tinted moisturizer goes, it's nice. I like it. I feel like I definitely don't have the glow that I was looking for when I picked this up. It's non-existent. I have no complaints as of right now. I'm gonna wear it out and see how it goes, but yeah, tinted moisturizers, regardless, I feel like you just can't go wrong with a tinted moisturizer for an everyday basis. So I might continue to try them. If there's any that you want me to try, of course, let me know. Leave it down below.